This is my mate. He's came from Korea. Kim, can you tell to my kids here that I'm gonna tell in Tagalog, please?
Kuya, kumusta kayo? Amo itay ako. I work with him and with the link force and I'm a pollinator.
How long you been in Linkos, bro?
Bit over 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
And you're working holiday visa, right?
Yeah, working holiday.
And can you tell it Paldo?
Paldo?
Yeah, Paldo.
What is Paldo? Oh, that is secret.
Yeah,
Alright.
Paldo.
What to this
Tell
one?
them. You want to be Paldo?
Yeah, Paldo.
Came here in mining.
Ah,
You good?
secret.
Yeah, that's
Always
good.
money secret.
Yeah, okay, bro. Thank you very
Yeah,
much, bro.
sorry.